Welcome to RVA Financial Federal Credit Union. Yay! We are absolutely thrilled that all of you took your time to come out here and support us this afternoon. We've got a lot of special guests in the house, but I just wanted to say hello and welcome. My name is Mia Mallory. I'm the VP of Marketing here at RVA Financial, and I'll be your MC for the afternoon. And without further ado, I'd like to introduce our President and CEO, Miss Cindy Lindsay.
Wow. This is awesome. I wanted to thank everyone for coming out here. You know, I never imagined the number of people that would be in attendance, and I'm going to try not to cry. We have been here since 1950.
Yes.
We were organized by the employees of the city of Richmond, and the name at that time was Richmond, Virginia Municipal Federal Credit Union. And then we changed it to VACAP. So we've had a couple of name changes. We went to VACAP, then we went to New Generations, but then we came back home, and now we are RVA Financial Federal Credit Union. But today we're here to celebrate our recently renovated lobby of this branch. And I hope you guys are so proud of the work and the things that our teams are doing. We're out in the community, we're serving our members. We have added more office space. We started out with 2 offices, now we have about 6 offices. We have Riva, you can have your personal time with Riva, that's our integrated teller machine, we've named her. We are using our space the way we should be using our space, which is to empower our members. And also, all of this is a part of our rebranding. So now we are still RVA Financial. We've added the Federal Credit Union because we are proud to be a credit union. We have a new website. If you go to our website, www.rvafinancial.com. I'm going to introduce Rayford. He is our board chair. I'm sure he has a couple of minutes, a couple of things that he wants to share with us.
Well, I had a long speech, but I'm going to defer to the mayor. Welcome, everybody that came out to this grand reopening, for lack of better words. Cindy has said it all. The rest of the people that follow me will say it all. We're glad you're here. Members first. And remember, we are a cooperative, not a bank. Cooperatives have members that determine what we do. Banks have stockholders that determine what they want to do with your money. So remember that, and that's all I have to say. Enjoy yourselves.
If you know Rayford, you know that was really brief for him. Okay, so next up we are going to have Mr. Mayor.
Well, thank you, Cindy, and thank you all so much for gathering today to celebrate. This lobby looks amazing. It smells amazing in here. I don't know if popcorn is going to be a regular staple, if that's just for today, but maybe you should think about it. But no, it is exciting for us to come out here and to celebrate when our partners make investments in our city, particularly one that has had such long-standing connection to the city of Richmond, and one that stands for the values that we do as a city, right? You guys have been really committed to making sure that people get a great experience, that they get access to transparent, supportive financial education, and so many of our employees and so many other residents over time have needed that. And so thank you for just 50 years now. It's really incredible work. I was really inspired by a particular story of a gentleman who I actually know. And this is a gentleman who's a returning citizen. He served his time. He got his rights restored, got connected with RVA Financial. One of the big steps that he started with was just financial education, getting his credit back on track. You all offered him loans, a personal loan and a vehicle loan, so that he could kind of take some of those steps forward. He actually has written a book about his experience. He serves as an organizer in one of our great partner organizations here in town, and is actually doing a book signing coming up in the next couple of weeks at one of our libraries. But very exciting, he just got approved for a first-time homeowner's loan and closed, right? Very exciting. And I think, you think about his story, and there's so many others like him who have come here, who have gotten the support, gotten the education, and have had you all walk alongside them so that they can make these major changes to their life and major steps forward. And so just know how appreciative we are for the role that you've played in our city, how appreciative so many residents and clients are, and congratulations on this great grand opening, Cindy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Mayor, for those words. It is hard work. He had to put in the work. We can coach our members on the things to do in order to improve their quality of life, in order to get their first time home, or to get their first vehicle, or to save for retirement. But you, the individual, have to put in the work. Now we'll have Ms. Nicole Armstead, the city treasurer.
Hello, everybody, and congratulations, RVA Financial Federal Credit Union. I will have to say that today is actually, it's a little sentimental to me. I don't know if anyone or everyone knows this, but my introduction to banking began here in this very building. So my mother was a city employee for over 35 years with the city of Richmond, and she opened up a joint checking account for the two of us. And it was right here, which I was introduced in understanding money. And so that kind of feeds into my passion of financial education and all of that I do within the city treasurer's office, as we also have an office of financial empowerment. And it's been awesome partnering with RVA Financial. They've helped us with providing financial education workshops to residents. And also, one thing that I do love about this credit union is that it truly is a financial institution for the people. We've heard it already, but where the bigger institutions are looking at credit scores and numbers, this organization listens to the stories.
Yes.
They really understand what the individuals are going through, and they're able to meet people where they need to be met. So just even that success story we just heard, someone who was rehabilitated, getting back into the system, they're able to really become a citizen that's able to contribute to our community and get the banking, because we all need money. It's a requirement. We need it just for our basic needs, food, clothing, shelter. We need the money, but to be able to have an institution that you can lean on and go to. And also I appreciate the fact that they do have the Empowerment Center. So really helping people to set those financial goals, because one thing as well is that just we can have money. Most of us here are employed, if not all, but how are we managing our money and really understanding where the priorities go? Because sometimes the evictions that we see and the foreclosures that take place are heartbreaking when people do not understand how to prioritize their funds to avoid those types of heartbreaking stories. So I'm excited for all the things that RVA Financial has done. Even they have been faithful for our financial literacy fair that I've been hosting. This will be our 6th year. They have come every year to that fair. And so just also the home ownership program, being able to direct people here and just seeing them have those success stories. So I really am a champion behind RVA Financial Credit Union, and just excited for what they bring to the city and just for the future, because there's so much ahead. We're just getting started.
That's right.
And so I'm excited for all the things that they're doing, not only for the city, but for our economy and our community. So congratulations, RVA. Thank you.
And no, I did not pay her for any of these comments. So, Mr. Odie, do you have some words? Let me lift this up for you.
Well, listen, I will not be long. I'll probably be a minute longer than Mr. Harris, but I am extraordinarily excited to be here. And I say that a lot in Richmond, and so that means we got a lot of great stuff going on. I think, to me, what stands out, whether it be coming in here, the many conversations that we had about, the right location and the right fit, is the start of this organization, and it's starting with employees. For me, that makes it extraordinarily special. And the fact that we're in the 75th year of an investment that starts with employees and has now spread to the community just highlights how special of a day this is. And while many financial institutions are either shuttering, reducing, or changing for the worse, right here in Richmond, we got something that is built by our employees and continues to add and represent the strength that we collectively have. And so for me, that's just awesome. And I'm excited to put a little bit of my coin today to start my bank account right here at RVA. So this is good enough for our employees. It's definitely good enough for me. So excited to be here and looking forward to it.
Okay, team, you heard that, so you be having potential right here. Go ahead and get him started on opening that account. Yeah. And I told him we take all means, whatever you got, we'll take it all. And now we have one of our partners who is also sponsoring this event from the Metropolitan Business League, Mr. Floyd Miller.
Thank you, Lindsay. First of all, it's a great opportunity for us to sponsor this event. And we're just so excited about the opportunities that this is going to bring for our members. And so again, my name is Floyd Miller. I'm the president and CEO of the Metropolitan Business League. And on behalf of our board of directors, we just want to say congratulations to you and to Mia and your staff for this incredible opportunity. And Mr. Odie, I brought some cash too. And so I want to know what I can do to become a member as well.
We got somebody you can talk to. We know a person.
Excellent, excellent. And this partnership, we're so excited about this corporate partnership with RVA Financial Federal Credit Union. This is an opportunity for us to focus on our youth entrepreneurship program where we partner with Richmond Public Schools. And so we're going to be doing a lot of collaborative things together to provide support to young entrepreneurs and individuals that want to learn how to do better money management and learn how to establish their credit to be better. And so again, on behalf of all of the members, over 1,700 members of the MBL, we're so excited and we're ready to do this ribbon cutting traditional celebration with you today. So thank you so much.